Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Today I'm on this construction site. In the construction of floor beam, I will guide you for 4 common mistakes. Because in many construction I can see these common mistakes, especially 4 common mistakes. So let me discuss with you people, so you should remember and you should avoid these mistakes during construction of floor beam. Okay guys, you can see, first of all I will tell you the depth of this beam is 14 inches. Okay, the width is 9 inches. Okay, so sorry, the depth is 12 inches, the width is 9 inches. So therefore with concrete cover it will be 12 by 16 inches. Okay, so now guys, here you can see steel reinforcement clearly. So we have 3 steel rods at the bottom and 3 at the top. Okay, so this is the common mistakes. That's why, because especially in the construction of floor beam, as I told you in many videos, that concrete is strong in compression but it's weak in tension. So therefore in tension we should use 4 steel rods. No problem if we use 2 steel rods at the top, because this is compression zone and this is tension zone. So therefore this is the common mistake. So they should use this steel rod. The middle steel rod should be used at the bottom. Okay, so they should provide 4 steel rods at the bottom, 2 at the top. No problem if they use the place of 16 millimeter, 12 millimeter. Okay, because concrete is strong in compression. Okay, now the die of steel rod is 16 millimeter. Okay, now let me discuss its stirrups details. So the first stirrup should be placed with the distance of minimum 2 inches, but guys you can see this is about 3 inches. Okay, this is the first stirrup. Now guys, here you can see the dia of the stirrup is 8 millimeters, so it's okay. But if you see its hooks, okay, so the hooks are bent with guys you can see with 90 degree, but it should be provided with 135 degree, and it should be placed alternately, the hooks. Okay, but you can see, so it's okay, they provided they placed alternately, but the hooks are bent with 90 degree, but it should be provided with 135 degree. Now guys, as I told you in many videos, that so this is the second mistake. Okay, if you see guys, here you can see clearly this is the junction. So in the junction we should provide the extra bars, but guys you can see you don't see any extra bars here, because this is the junction. We have maximum shear stresses here. To avoid cracks in the junction between beam and column, we should provide extra bars or bent up bar, but guys you can see you cannot see any bent up bar or extra bars on this place. Okay, now guys, here I will show you also the distance between the spacing between 2 stirrups. So with L/4 distance, especially for commercial building, it should not be more than 4 inches or 100 millimeter. Okay, so 100 to 150 millimeter you can use with the distance of L/4. But guys you can see here clearly the spacing is same, so it should not be provided with same distance. Okay guys, you can see this is about 5 inches. Okay, but it should not be provided at 5 inches, because this is commercial building, this is mega project. So therefore they should place with 4 inches. After 4 inches they can use the spacing to the 6 inches. Okay, but at the mid they can increase the distance. Now guys, you can see clearly, again you can see here this is the junction. So on the junction they should provide the extra rods with the distance of minimum 3 feet on each side. So 3 feet on this side and 3 feet on this side, but unfortunately we can't see.